Alright guys, hopefully the simultaneous equations video made a bit of sense, but I am going to just get you to pause the video and give these 8 a go, because I'm going to work my way through them. Hopefully I've given myself enough room in these little boxes to complete this. So without further ado, pause the video, give these a shot, and then you're going to be able to watch me go through them. Alright, just move that cord out of the way. Okay, so as the title of the video suggests, these are all substitution. So you can take one variable and replace it with its relationship with the other variable. So for question 1, x is equal to 3y minus 1. So we're just going to replace that x with 3y minus 1. Now we still have 5 times x, so 5 times 3y minus 1 minus y equals 23. There's my substitution. Now I have an equation that is only dependent upon y. So theoretically I should be able to solve this. So I'll expand everything out and collect my like terms. 15y minus 5 minus y is 23. Collect my like terms, so 14y and add 5 is 28. Y is 2. And if y is 2 and x is equal to 3 times y minus 1, then 3 times y is 6 minus 1 is 5. So x is 5. So if I was to write that as a coordinate, the point of intersection between this intercept form of the straight line and this inverse of the gradient intercept form of a straight line, they cross at 5, 2. And you could be checking all of these by just typing these into Desmos and clicking on the point of intersection. Okay, well in this one, y is equal to 3x minus 2, which means that this positive y can be replaced by this positive y. So this is going to become 4x plus y, but y for us is in the form 3x minus 2, and that's equal to 40. So 7x equals 42. So I'm kind of being a little sneaky right now. I'm collecting my like terms and adding or subtracting constants to the other side in one go. So x is 6. Okay, and then y is 3x minus 2. So 3 6s are 18 minus 2 is 16. So 6, 16 is your point of intersection. Okay, they're obviously going to get harder. Y is equal to 3x minus 5. So this y in this other equation can just be replaced by 3x minus 5. So I've still got 2 lots of that y minus x equals 90. Expanding. Adding 10 and collecting like terms. X is 20. Then I just need y, which is 3 lots of 20, 60, minus 5, 55. So the point of intersection is 20, 55. Alright. Question 4. Okay, y is 5 minus 2x, so it can go into there. Starting to get a little tedious now. 3x plus 2 times that relationship that y has with x equals 13. You guessed it, 3x plus 10 by expanding. Collecting my like terms, negative x and subtracting 10 is 3, which means x is negative 3 if you multiply both sides by negative 1. Alright, I just need my y, so I'm going to double it. So negative 6, 5 take away negative 6 is 11. So negative 3, 11. I'm really hoping I'm getting these right. I don't have any solutions on me at all. So, chocolate fish if you find an error. Okay. Only to the first 3 people who spot the error. When I get to 1 million subscribers, I'm not giving out 1 million chocolate fish. At least support me on Patreon, maybe. X equals 1 minus y. That's our replacement. Okay, so sometimes you'll replace the x, sometimes you'll replace the y. Alright, so we've got 2 times 1 minus y minus 7y is 20. Expanding 2 minus 2y minus 7y is 20. I'm going to subtract the 2 and collect my like terms. Negative 9y is 18. And when I divide by negative 9, I'm going to get negative 2, which means x is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is the point of intersection. Alright. Some people get a little bit confused on questions like 6, but x is just 3y. So we're just going to replace that x with 3y. 15 plus 2 times 3y is y. Just showing you that we've just replaced the x with 3y. So 15 plus 6y is equal to y. Alright, let's subtract 6y off both sides. And let's divide by negative 5. Y is negative 3, which means x is negative 9. Negative 9, negative 3. Okay, here we go. X is 4 minus 3y, so that's going to be our replacement. 3 times 4 minus 3y minus 5y minus 54 is equal to 0. Let's just expand this out. 12 minus 9y minus 5y minus 54 is 0. Let's add 54 and subtract 12. What's that going to be? It's 42. 42. And on this side, we've got negative 9 and negative 5. So negative 14y. Dividing by 14, we're going to get negative 14. We're going to get negative 3, I believe. Which means x is going to have to be 4 take away negative 9, or 4 plus 9, 13. Or I think there might be an error in that one. It could be a chocolate fish in this one here. That was quite tricky. Okay, very similar. This y in this equation is going to get replaced by the y in this equation. It's just that the y in this equation is equal to 7x minus 2, so we're going to chuck that in. 11x minus 3 lots of 7x minus 2 plus 34. Oh, look at that transposition error. Right, writing something down that isn't true. Equals 0. I might actually, for the sake of this video, tidy that up. Oh yeah, that's working real well. 34. Alright, 11x minus 21x. Now we're going to be careful. Negative 3 times negative 2, positive 6 plus 34 equals 0. There's 40, so I'll subtract it off both sides. And I've got 11x minus 21x, so negative 10x. Okay, divide both sides by negative 10. X is positive 4. Y is then 28 minus 2, 26. 4, 26. Booyah. That is 8 kind of medium difficulty linear simultaneous equations via substitution. Let me know how you went in the comments below.